If you've needed to unstack your Samsung laundry hub, reassembling it is no problem. First, align the dryer legs with the top of the washer inlay area. Next, install the rear brackets using the 8 provided screws. And connect the communication cable. Install the 2 metal brackets on the front of the machines with the 6 provided screws, and carefully slide in the front panel housing. Install the right side panel. Screw in the 4 screws located here, and install the left side panel. Securing the side panels in place with the provided screws. Connect the 6-pin molex connector to the rear of the control panel. Push in and slide right, securing it in place with the provided screw. Install the 2 screw covers and the detergent drawer, and you're all set up.